In this video, we'll explore what a sandbox environment is in Business Central and why it's important. We'll also discuss some of the key use cases for sandbox environments and how they can benefit your business. Why is a sandbox environment important? Sandbox environments allow you to experiment with new features without putting your live data at risk. This makes them essential for testing, learning, and development. There are many use cases for sandbox environments in Business Central, including benchmarking, following Microsoft training, exploring, learning, demoing, developing, and testing. Benchmarking allows you to compare the performance of your Business Central system to others. This can help you identify areas for improvement. Microsoft Training provides a great way to learn about new features and functionality in Business Central. Sandbox environments are the perfect place to practice what you've learned. Exploring, learning, demoing, and developing in a sandbox environment allows you to experiment with new ideas without impacting your live data. Testing new features, configurations, or customizations in a sandbox environment ensures that they work as expected before you deploy them to your live system. Sandbox environments are an essential tool for any Business Central user. They provide a safe space to test, learn, and experiment without putting your live data at risk. The benefits of using a sandbox environment include increased testing efficiency, reduced risk of data loss, and improved learning and development opportunities. To create a sandbox environment, simply go to the Business Central Administration Center and click on the Create Sandbox button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe GOMS Tech Talks channel for more videos on Business Central.